The I-9315 corner grinder is an ingenious invention for cutting through screws fixed in narrow areas of the engine compartment. It combines the advantages of a thin-hand approach with the power of professional cutting wheels. The result is a solution to all our problems arising from fixed, rotating and rusted screw connections in cars and lorries. The special feature of the I-9315 is its ergonomic design in the area behind the cutting wheel. Due to the tapering design of the tool, even screws that are located in difficult-to-access areas can now be reached. It is easy to insert or replace a cutting wheel. First, lock the wheel by pressing a button into the handle and click locking to prevent rotation. The screw in the middle can only be released and removed after the wheel is click locked. The new cutting wheel is placed with an exact fit and retightened with a screw. The locking head can then once more be released and the tool is now ready to be used. The spark protector can be rotated variably. The two hexagon socket head screws are released using the spanner included in the delivery. Simply move the spark protection to the required position and retighten the screws. This provides you with an easy means of protecting against the risk of injury caused by debris and sparks. This picture shows the corner grinder in action. Fixed and rusted screw connections at the exhaust or hard-to-reach fixing screws, such as shown here behind the proportioning valve of a Golf 3, can be easily accessed and separated by the I-9315. Disassembly of the proportioning valve is no longer required. Time-consuming replacement of supporting ball joints with rotating screws is a thing of the past. Today, not only can these screw connections be cut through in a handy way by the I-9315, but also easily and safely with a high level of efficiency. The replacement of steering rods is often costly to our patients and time-consuming due to their extremely difficult location behind the stabilizers. As shown here, you can see that using the corner grinder, both the bent steering rods of an Audi A4 as well as long steering rods, as shown on a Volkswagen Charan, can be easily cut through without having to worry about the rotating screws and without losing valuable time. Due to the thin design of the corner grinder, more or less all hidden fixing screws can be reached without a problem. Such, but not limited to, for example, here behind a brake hose. The low weight of just 1 kilogram allows you to work overhead without any fatigue problems. With its specially designed 1 mm cutting wheel, it even cuts through high tensile and high strength steel. Due to the fine and clean cut of the machine, you can practically forget about having to rework the cut surface afterwards. Here you can clearly see that when the spark protection shield is correctly adjusted, the danger of being injured by flying sparks is reduced to a minimum. To avoid additional hazardous situations, you must observe all legal safety at work regulations. The corner grinder functions optimally at a working pressure of 6.3 bar. The powerful 0.85 horsepower motor has an idling speed of 15,000 RPM. The specially designed cutting wheels have the measurements of 100 x 1 x 10 mm. Due to its handy size of just around 40 cm length and 6.5 cm height, it can be especially useful in locations where other cutting wheels fail due to their size and shape. When other mechanics are wasting lots of time and aggravating their tempers, you are already earning more money with the intelligently designed corner grinder.